Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Her Code Canvas. So yeah, today we discuss this very interesting thing, the AI tool for the designing. Yes, we tried some AI tools for designing which I got from ChatGPT. So I prompt to the ChatGPT that names some of the AI tools that help in making UI. So here it respond like UIs are thing of Galileo AI, Figma, as you all know. So yeah, Figma is all of us are using. So it's very common with AI plugin. Okay, with Figma with AI plugin, it suggests me Magician and Wireframe AI. Okay, Figma में बहुत सारे plugins होते हैं. I will surely make a video on that topic like AI plugins in Figma. So let's start with the video. I will try first this UI chart. I don't know how to pronounce, but UI chart. Okay, let's see how it works. I'm very excited to see how it generates. And okay, this is the screen interface. Okay, here's the video. So yeah, इधर prompt है, but I'm sure ये sign in करने को बोलेगा, तो हम पहले से ही sign in कर लेते हैं. So yeah, मैंने sign in कर लिया है. Let's go with this. It's asking mobile, tablet, desktop. Which one for designing? I think I should go for desktop. Uh, okay, here I write the prompt. I want an e-commerce fashion store app. Okay, it's app design, not app. I want a web design. Okay, web design for with proper UX. So yeah, let's continue. And it's generate a style. Okay, it's asking me for the style, so I have no any screenshot and any link for the for my reference, so I will go with the prompt. So prompt here I selected these light. Okay, I want dark theme, modern, artsy, techy, formal, elegant, and hand drawn. Okay, let's go to generate project. Oh, it's generating. Oh, you can see these are the wireframes. So I mean, impressive. Nice. It worked very nice. Okay, it's still generating. So wait for a few minutes. Wow. Okay, it's done, I think. Okay. Fashion shop home. It's the home page. Okay, here I have the some styles options for choosing. Okay, I don't need them. Let's see the wireframe it generated for us. Like fashion shop is the logo. Okay, shopping cart info, user account is here. Like I thought it generates like a proper UI with images and high fidelity UI we make. But it generates only wireframe. Is this used only for wireframe or what? Images are there. You can put images. Something option will be there for the. What is this? Okay, it's for the zoom. And what is this? Mockup mode. Oh, it's here. See, I told you that. Okay, it's like this. Now it's the high fidelity UI, which I was expecting it from to generate. Okay. I think it's obviously it's AI, so it's not perfect, but you can see here the search bar. There's no outlining and no color fill is there. It's not even okay. I can change the color also. Okay. Now see, it's better. Okay, so it's not like very perfect. You have to use your skills and refine it. It's just a structure you can generate quickly, and then you can modify it in your own way. Then is this is the product detail page. Okay, this is nice. Not very impressive, but ठीक है for the AI. Okay, you can see the alignment here. It's so annoying, like this left right. It's not aligned properly. Other is fine. Landing. Okay, landing page is why. Okay, for the landing page, you have to upgrade the plan. Okay, no problem. You can see the landing page. It's nice. If you're a developer and not into designing and you can't like design, so this is very helpful application for you guys. So yeah, so this is the first trial AI tool, which is thumbs up for this tool. Nice. Okay, next move on. Our next edition from ChatGPT is Galileo AI. Let's type this one. Is joining Google. Okay, where is the describe your design? Here's the option mobile or web. So in this, I will definitely go with the mobile design. So which app I should create? Like, okay, let's generate. Okay, make them all. Okay, it's generating. Hydration is must. I mean, wow, this is so fast. You can edit and copy it to the Figma. These all are the screens. Wow, amazing. These are so, why this space is blank? I don't know. This is way better than I expect. This is very nice. This is the profile section. You can save properties, save searches, dark mode. Nice. और इसका कोड भी मिल सकता है. Okay, 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 okay. You can copy the code. Simply copy the code. This is the pure HTML, CSS. No, it's using Tailwind. Okay, Tailwind CSS. HTML Tailwind CSS code to create this interface. It's very impressive. It's the better than the first AI tool. Like the ChatGPT kind of workplace where you just give the prompt and you copy the design and copy the code, and then you can just open your Figma and paste it there. And when you paste it there, you can edit it very easily. It's very nice. So guys, we have discussed the two amazing tools for making UI, and second one is providing code also. And if you get the UI, you can easily get the code in the ChatGPT or any other tool like Claude AI. So yeah, for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will meet you in my next video. So till then, bye bye.